The 2024 BMW R1300 GS Adventure is the latest iteration of BMW's flagship adventure motorcycle. It has been redesigned from the ground up to be lighter, leaner, and more powerful than its predecessor, the R1250 GS Adventure. The R1300 GS Adventure is powered by a new 1,300 cubic centimeters boxer engine that produces 145 horsepower and 110 lb-ft of torque. The 2024 Suzuki V-strom 1050 XT is an adventure touring motorcycle built for tackling a variety of terrains. It's known for its balance of power, comfort, and affordability, making it a popular choice among adventure riders. The V-strom 1050 XT is powered by a liquid-cooled, 1,037 cubic centimeters, 90-degree V-twin engine that produces 106.7 horsepower and 76 lb-ft of torque. This engine provides ample power for both highway cruising and off-road exploration. The fuel injection system with ride-by-wire technology delivers smooth and responsive throttle control. The 2024 Honda CRF 1100L Africa Twin in Grand Prix Red is the latest iteration of Honda's iconic adventure bike, offering a thrilling combination of performance, versatility, and classic Honda heritage. Here's a closer look at what this motorcycle brings to the table. The Africa Twin boasts a powerful 1,084 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, SOHC engine. The 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 is an adventure touring motorcycle designed for conquering both paved and unpaved roads. It boasts a powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and a long list of features that make it a great choice for riders who want to explore the world in style. The Super Tenere 1200 is powered by a liquid-cooled, 1,199 cubic centimeters, parallel twin engine that produces ample power and torque for highway cruising and off-road exploration. The 270-degree crankcase design gives the engine a unique character, delivering a smooth and linear power delivery. The 2024 BMW F900 GS arrives as a significant update to BMW's mid-range adventure motorcycle lineup. It boasts a lighter design, more power, and improved technology, making it a compelling option for adventure riders seeking a versatile and capable machine. The most noticeable change for 2024 is the new engine. The F900 GS ditches the 850 cubic centimeters unit and steps up to an 895 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine. This bump in displacement translates to a power increase of 7 horsepower, reaching a peak of 105 horsepower at 8,500 RPM. The 2024 Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Pro is the most off-road capable machine in Triumph's Tiger 1200 lineup. Built for tackling challenging terrain, it boasts a powerful engine, long travel suspension, and a rider-focused design that prioritizes control and comfort. The Rally Pro gets its grunt from a 1,160 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, DOHC, shaft-driven engine that produces a claimed 141 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 99 lb-ft of torque at 7,000 RPM. The all-new 2024 Suzuki V-strom 800D, D stands for Dual Sport, is a major update to Suzuki's adventure touring lineup, designed to compete with other middleweight adventure bikes like the Yamaha Tenere 700. Here's a breakdown of what this exciting new machine brings to the table. The V-strom 800D ditches the V-twin engine of its predecessors in favor of a more modern and fuel-efficient 776 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine. This new engine churns out a healthy 62 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 78 Nm of torque at 6,800 RPM, providing ample power for on-road cruising and off-road exploration. The 2024 Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro is an exciting update for adventure riders seeking a powerful, nimble machine built to conquer tough terrain. Here's a closer look at what this machine brings to the table. The 2024 Rally Pro gets a significant power boost compared to its predecessor. A liquid-cooled, 888 cubic centimeters (DOHC) 3-cylinder engine now pumps out 13 more horsepower, reaching a peak of 95 horsepower at 9,000 RPM. This translates to a more responsive and thrilling ride, both on and off-road. The 2024 Yamaha Tenere 700 builds upon the success of its previous iterations, offering adventure riders a refined and exciting option for exploring on and off-road. Here's a breakdown of the key updates and features. The 2024 Tenere 700 retains the proven 689 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers reliable power and torque for various terrains. While the peak power figures remain similar, some sources suggest revisions might have been made for smoother power delivery. The core chassis and suspension setup remain largely unchanged, offering a good balance between handling and comfort. This means you can expect a lightweight steel frame paired with a long travel suspension, around 200 mm, for tackling uneven surfaces. The 2024 Honda Northern Territory 1100 embraces versatility, offering riders the choice between a traditional 6-speed manual transmission and a smoother dual-clutch transmission, DCT. Here's a breakdown of what the DCT option brings to the table. Advantages of the 2024 Honda Northern Territory 1100 DCT. Smoother gear changes. The DCT eliminates the need for manual clutch operation and gear selection, resulting in a noticeably smoother riding experience, especially in stop-and-go traffic or on long journeys.
(2024) Moto Guzzi V7 Special, MSRP price €9,399. Engine type transverse 90 degrees V-twin engine, 2 valves per cylinder, air cooling. Displacement 853 cubic centimeters. Bore X-stroke 84 by 77 millimeters. Power 47.8 kilowatts, 65 HP, 6,800 RPM. Torque 73 Newton meters, 5,000 RPM. Gearbox 6-speed. Saddle height 880 mm. Consumption 4.9 L or 100 km. C02 emissions 119 g a kilometer. Weight 203 kilograms. Tank capacity 21 liters, maximum speed over 125 mph. (2024) Kawasaki Z900RS, MSRP price €13,290. Engine type liquid-cooled, 4-stroke inline 4, DOHC, 16 valves. Displacement 948 cubic centimeters. Bore X-stroke 73.4 by 56 millimeters. Compression ratio 10.8 to 1. Power 82 kilowatts, 111 HP, 8,500 RPM. Torque 98.5 Newton meters, 6,500 RPM. Gearbox 6-speed. Seat height 835 millimeters. Fuel consumption 5.2 L, 100 km. CO2 emissions 124 g a kilometer. Weight 215 kilograms. Tank capacity 17 liters, maximum speed over 140 mph. (2024) Honda CB1000R Black Edition, MSRP price $12,999. Engine type liquid-cooled DOHC inline 4-cylinder, 4 valves per cylinder. Displacement 998 cubic centimeters. Bore X/75 by 56.5 millimeters. Compression ratio 11.6 to 1. Power 107 kilowatts, 143 HP, 10,500 RPM. Torque 104 Nm 8, 250 RPM. Gearbox 6-speed. Seat height 830 mm. Fuel consumption 6.2 or 100 km. Weight 212 kilograms. Tank capacity 16.2 liters, maximum speed over 150 miles per hour. (2024) Triumph Speed Twin 900 Chrome Edition. MSRP price €9,695. Engine type liquid-cooled parallel twin, 8 valves. SOHC, 270 degrees crank. Displacement 900 cubic centimeters. Bore X/84.6 by 80 millimeters. Compression ratio 11.0 to 1. Power 47.8 kilowatts, 65 HP, 7,500 RPM. Torque 80 Nm, 3,800 RPM. Gearbox 5-speed. Seat height 765 mm. Fuel consumption 4.1 L or 100 km. CO2 emissions 93 g a kilometer. Weight 216 kilograms. Tank capacity 12 liters, maximum speed over 115 mph. (2024) Yamaha XSR900, MSRP price $10,199. Engine type 4 valves, 3-cylinder, Euro 5, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, DOHC. Displacement 890 cubic centimeters. Bore X/78 by 62.1 millimeters. Compression ratio 11.5 to 1. Power 87.5 kilowatts, 119 HP, 10,000 RPM. Torque 93 Nm, 7,000 RPM. Gearbox 6-speed. Seat height 810 mm. Fuel consumption 5 or 100 km. CO2 emission 116 g a kilometer. Weight 193 kilograms. Tank capacity 14 liters, maximum speed over 180 miles per hour. (2024) Royal Enfield Continental 650 GT, MSRP price €6,800. Engine type parallel twin, 4-stroke, single overhead cam, air or oil-cooled. Displacement 648 cubic centimeters. Power 34.6 kilowatts, 47 HP, 7,150 RPM. Torque 52 Nm, 5,250 RPM. Gearbox 6-speed. Seat height 789 mm. Weight 202 kilograms. Tank capacity 13.7 liters, maximum speed over 105 miles per hour. (2024) Brixton Chromwell 1200, MSRP price €9,999. Engine type inline, 2-cylinder, 4-stroke, water-cooled. Displacement 1,222 cubic centimeters. Power 61 kilowatts, 83 HP, 6,550 RPM. Torque 108 Nm, 3,100 RPM. Gearbox 6-speed. Seat height 800 mm. Fuel consumption 4.6 or 100 km. CO2 emissions 105 g/km. Weight 235 kilograms. Tank capacity 16 liters, maximum speed over 125 miles per hour. (2024) Royal Enfield Hunter 350 MSRP price €4,490 engine type single cylinder, 4-stroke, SOHC. Displacement 349.3 for cubic centimeters. Bore X/75 by 85.8 millimeters. Compression ratio 9.5 to 1. Power 20.1 HP, 6,100 RPM. Torque 27 Nm, 4,000 RPM. Gearbox 5-speed. Seat height 790 mm. Weight 179 kilograms. Tank capacity 13 liters, maximum speed over 70.8 mph. 2024 Suzuki SV 650, MSRP price $7,399. Engine type 4-stroke, 2-cylinder, liquid-cooled, DOHC, 90-degree V-twin. Displacement 645 cubic centimeters. Bore X/81 by 62.6 millimeters. Compression ratio 11.2 to 1. Power 54 kilowatts, 73, 4 HP, 8,500 RPM. Torque 64 Nm, 6,800 RPM. Gearbox 6-speed. Seat height 785 mm. Weight 200 kilograms. Tank capacity 14.5 liters, maximum speed over 130 mph. (2024) Benelli Imperial 400 engine type single cylinder, 4-stroke, 2 valves, air-cooled, single overhead camshaft SOHC, double spark. Displacement 374 cubic centimeters. Bore X/72, 7x 90 millimeters. Compression ratio 8:5 to 1. Power 15, 5 kilowatt, 21 HP, 5,500 RPM. Torque 29 Nm, 4,500 RPM. Gearbox 5-speed. Seat height 780 mm. Weight 205 kilograms. Tank capacity 12 liters, maximum speed over 72 mph.
Triumph Rocket 3 2,458 cubic centimeters. The Triumph Rocket 3 is a heavyweight cruiser motorcycle known for its imposing presence and unmatched power. The Rocket 3 features a muscular design, premium finishes, and advanced technology, including ride-by-wire throttle and multiple riding modes. It offers exceptional comfort for long-distance cruising, with adjustable ergonomics, a spacious seat, and high-end suspension components. Triumph Rocket 3 specification detail. Engine, 2,458 cubic centimeters inline 3 engine. Power, approximately 167 horsepower. Torque, approximately 221 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with slipper clutch. Suspension, adjustable Showa front forks. Rear monoshock. Brakes, dual front discs with Brembo Stylema calipers. Electronics, ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, ABS, multiple riding modes. Kawasaki Vulcan 2,053 cubic centimeters. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is a classic cruiser motorcycle with a timeless design and robust performance. The Vulcan 2000 features a low-slung profile, chrome accents, and comfortable ergonomics for all-day riding comfort. It offers a relaxed riding experience with a smooth shifting transmission, responsive throttle, and a stable chassis. I'll continue with the rest in the next message. Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 specification detail. Engine, 2053 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, power, approximately 103 horsepower, torque, approximately 178 Newton meters, transmission, 5-speed gearbox, suspension, 49 mm front forks, adjustable rear shocks, brakes, dual front discs with 4-piston calipers, electronics, fuel injection, analog instrumentation. I'll continue with the specifications for the remaining motorcycles in the next message. Harley Davidson Fat Bob 114 68 cubic centimeters. The Harley Davidson Fat Bob 114 is a rugged cruiser motorcycle with a distinctive and aggressive styling. The Fat Bob 114 features a stiff chassis, inverted front forks, and dual-disc front brakes for enhanced handling and stopping power. It offers modern amenities like LED lighting, a digital instrumentation cluster, and optional electronic rider aids. Harley Davidson Fat Bob 114 specification detail: engine, Milwaukee 8114 V-twin engine, displacement, 1868 cubic centimeters, power, approximately 92 horsepower, torque, approximately 155 Newton meters, transmission, 6-speed cruise drive, suspension, inverted front forks, adjustable rear monoshock, brakes, dual front discs with 4-piston calipers, electronics, LED lighting, digital instrumentation, optional electronic rider aids such as ABS and security system. BMW R18 1802 cubic centimeters. The BMW R18 is a luxury cruiser motorcycle that combines classic design cues with modern engineering. It is powered by a massive 1,802 cubic centimeters boxer twin engine, designed to deliver abundant torque and a relaxed cruising experience. The R18 features a minimalist yet elegant design, with attention to detail in its retro styling elements and high-quality finishes. It offers modern technologies such as LED lighting, ABS, stability control, and optional electronic rider aids like adaptive cruise control and hill start assist. BMW R18 specification detail: engine, 1802 cubic centimeters air/oil-cooled boxer twin engine, power, approximately 91 horsepower, torque, approximately 158 Newton meters, transmission, 6-speed gearbox with shaft drive, suspension, telescopic front forks, rear cantilever suspension with adjustable preload brakes, dual front discs with 4-piston calipers, rear single disc. Electronics, ABS, traction control, optional riding modes, optional adaptive cruise control, optional hill start control. Honda Goldwing 1833 cubic centimeters. The Honda Goldwing is a legendary touring motorcycle that offers supreme comfort, advanced technology, and powerful performance. It is powered by a smooth and responsive 1,833 cubic centimeters horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine, providing effortless power for long-distance riding. The Goldwing features a luxurious design with amenities like heated seats, a premium audio system, and a large, adjustable windscreen. It boasts an array of electronic features, including ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, traction control, navigation system, and Apple CarPlay integration. Honda Goldwing specification detail: engine, 1833 cubic centimeters horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine, power, approximately 125 horsepower, torque, approximately 170 Newton meters, transmission, 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, suspension, double wishbone front suspension, rear pro-arm single-sided swing arm. Brakes, dual front discs with 6-piston calipers, rear single disc with 3-piston caliper. Electronics, ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, traction control, ABS, Apple CarPlay integration, navigation system. Suzuki Boulevard M109R Boss 1783 cubic centimeters. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R Boss, blacked out Special Suzuki, is a muscular and aggressive cruiser motorcycle with a strong presence on the road. The M109R Boss features a bold and distinctive design, with blacked out components, a wide rear tire, and a sleek fuel tank. It offers a comfortable riding position, with forward-mounted foot controls, a wide handlebar, and a plush seat for long-distance cruising. Suzuki Boulevard M109R Boss specification: engine, 1783 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, power, approximately 106 horsepower, torque, approximately 160 Newton meters, transmission, 5-speed gearbox with shaft drive, suspension, inverted front forks, rear single shock with adjustable preload brakes, dual front discs with radial mounted calipers, rear single disc, electronics, fuel injection, analog instrumentation. Indian Challanger 1768 cubic centimeters. The Indian Challanger is a touring-oriented cruiser motorcycle known for its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and modern features. The Challanger features a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a frame-mounted fairing, hard saddlebags, and a comfortable touring seat. It offers advanced technology such as ride-by-wire throttle, selectable ride modes, ABS, traction control, and a customizable touchscreen infotainment system. Indian Challanger specification detail: engine, 1768 cubic centimeters power plus V-twin engine, power, approximately 121 horsepower, torque, approximately 178 Newton meters, transmission, 6-speed gearbox with slipper clutch, suspension, inverted front forks, rear single shock with adjustable preload brakes, dual front discs with 4-piston calipers, rear single disc with 2-piston caliper, electronics, ride-by-wire throttle, selectable riding modes, ABS, traction control, touchscreen infotainment system. Yamaha V-Max 1679 cubic centimeters. The Yamaha V-Max is an iconic power cruiser renowned for its massive engine and dragster-inspired design. The V-Max features a distinctive aluminum frame, beefy inverted forks, and powerful brakes for precise handling and braking performance. It combines classic cruiser styling with advanced features such as ride-by-wire throttle, Yamaha chip-controlled intake, YCCI, and Yamaha chip-controlled throttle, YCCT. Yamaha V-Max specification detail: engine, 1679 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 65-degree V4 engine, power, approximately 200 horsepower, torque, approximately 167 Newton meters, transmission, 5-speed gearbox with slipper clutch, suspension, 52 mm inverted forks, single rear shock brakes, dual 320 mm front discs with radial mounted calipers, electronics, Yamaha chip-controlled throttle, YCCT, Yamaha chip-controlled intake, YCCI, ABS, and adjustable engine maps. Moto Guzzi MGX21 Flying Fortress 1380 cubic centimeters. The Moto Guzzi MGX21 Flying Fortress is a unique and distinctive cruiser motorcycle with a bold design and powerful performance. The MGX21 features a futuristic and aerodynamic design, with carbon fiber accents, a large front fairing, and a spacious saddlebag-equipped rear end. It offers modern amenities such as ride-by-wire throttle, cruise control, ABS, traction control, and a comprehensive instrument cluster with a large TFT display. Moto Guzzi MGX21 Flying Fortress specification detail: engine, 1380 cubic centimeters transverse V-twin engine, Power, approximately 96 horsepower. Torque, approximately 120 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with shaft drive. Suspension, upside-down front forks. Rear single shock with adjustable preload. Brakes, dual front discs with radial-mounted calipers. Rear single disc. Electronics, ride-by-wire throttle, cruise control, ABS, traction control, TFT display. Ducati Diavel 1260S 1262 cubic centimeters. The Ducati Diavel 1260S is a high-performance cruiser motorcycle known for its muscular design and sporty handling. The Diavel 1260S features advanced electronics, including Ducati traction control, Ducati wheelie control, and cornering ABS. It boasts premium components such as Öhlins suspension, Brembo brakes, and a full-color TFT display. Ducati Diavel 1260S specification detail: engine, 1,262 cubic centimeters Testastretta DVTL twin engine. Power, approximately 162 horsepower. Torque, approximately 129 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with Ducati quick shift up/down. Suspension, fully adjustable Öhlins front and rear. Brakes, Brembo M50 monoblock calipers with Bosch cornering ABS Evo. Electronics, Ducati traction control, DDC, Ducati wheelie control, DWC, Ducati power launch, DPL, cruise control, and riding modes. Other features: full-color TFT display, LED lighting, keyless ignition. The 2024 CF Moto 400 NK is a compelling option for budget-minded riders looking for a versatile and beginner-friendly motorcycle. Engine, 400 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder delivering around 40 horsepower. This provides enough power for comfortable highway cruising and exciting city adventures. Handling, the chassis is designed for stability and confidence-inspiring handling, making it a great choice for new riders. Brakes, hydraulic disc brakes provide ample stopping power for safe riding. Upright riding position, this translates to a comfortable and relaxed riding posture, ideal for longer journeys. Journeys. Instrument cluster. A clear and informative instrument cluster displays all the essential information you need while riding. Standard features may include LED headlights, ABS, anti-lock braking system for improved stopping power, and a comfortable seat. Value proposition: affordable MSRP, around $5,499. The 400 NK offers excellent value for the features and performance it provides. (2024) KTM 390 Duke. The 2024 KTM 390 Duke is a fiery contender in the lightweight naked bike category, known for its aggressive performance and sharp handling. Engine: a punchy 373 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine pumping out around 43 horsepower. This translates to a thrilling ride with plenty of zip for city bursts and exhilarating backroad adventures. Lightweight chassis. The chassis is constructed with lightweight materials, keeping the overall weight down to around 373 pounds, 169 kilograms. This contributes to the bike's agility and nimble handling. Advanced electronics package optional. The 390 Duke can be equipped with a sophisticated electronics package that includes features like cornering ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes. This enhances safety and control, especially for sportier riders. Higher price point. Compared to some budget bikes, the 390 Duke comes at a slightly steeper price tag, around $7,399 MSRP. (2024) BMW G3 10R. The 2024 BMW G3 Tenere is a gateway to the world of German engineering, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and the prestige of a BMW badge at a relatively affordable price point. Beginner-friendly power. A 313 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with around 34 horsepower provides enough grunt for confident city riding and highway cruising without being intimidating for new riders. Smooth power delivery. The engine is known for its smooth and predictable power delivery, making it easy to learn and control, especially for beginners. BMW reliability. The G3 Tenere benefits from BMW's reputation for quality and reliability, giving you peace of mind on the road. Accessible price. With an MSRP around $5,999, the G3 Tenere offers a good value for the BMW badge, German engineering, and the features it provides. The 2024 Honda CL300 Scrambler Special Edition. The 2024 Honda CL300 Scrambler Special Edition brings a fresh twist to the classic Scrambler motorcycle style. Retro design. The CL300 channels the spirit of vintage Scramblers with a round headlight, upswept exhaust, and a single-seat design. It's sure to turn heads and evoke a sense of nostalgia. Modern touches. While embracing the classic look, the CL300 incorporates modern features like an LED headlight and a fuel-injected engine for better performance and efficiency. Capable engine. The 286 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with around 27 horsepower provides enough power for exciting around-town rides and light off-road adventures. Basic suspension. The suspension is designed for comfort on paved roads, but might be a little limited for tackling very rough terrain. Dual purpose. The CL300 is perfect for cruising city streets with style and venturing off the beaten path for some light exploration on dirt roads or gravel trails. Comfortable riding position. The upright riding position offers a good view of traffic and a relaxed posture for comfortable riding on various terrains. Perfect for around-town cruising and light off-road adventures. Around $5,500 MSRP. The 2024 CF Moto 250 NK is a budget-friendly option for new riders or those seeking a fuel-efficient and nimble motorcycle for city riding. Engine and performance. A 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine provides around 25 horsepower. This offers enough power for confident city commutes and keeping up with traffic, but might feel less powerful on highways. Handling. The lightweight chassis and manageable size make the 250 NK easy to maneuver and navigate through tight spaces. Standard features may include features like an LCD instrument cluster, LED headlights and taillights, and a comfortable seat. Price. The 2024 CF Moto 250 NK is known for its affordability. The MSRP, manufacturer's suggested retail price, is estimated to be around $4,000. The 2024 Husqvarna 250 Svartpilen. The 2024 Husqvarna Svartpilen 250 is a street-focused motorcycle with a stylish design and playful performance, sharing its platform with the KTM 250 Duke. Punchy engine. The 248.8 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine packs around 30 horsepower, offering a lively and exciting ride for new riders and experienced riders alike. Agile handling. The lightweight chassis and sharp suspension provide confidence-inspiring handling, making the Svartpilen 250 a blast to navigate city streets and carve up twisty roads. Optional features. Some models might offer an optional package with features like cornering ABS for improved braking control. Price. The estimated MSRP, manufacturer's suggested retail price for the 2024 Husqvarna Svartpilen 250 is around $5,000. However, similar to other motorcycles, the actual price you pay can vary depending on factors like dealership markup, negotiation, and location. The 2024 Zhonsheng Cyclone RE250. The 2024 Zhonsheng Cyclone RE250 is a budget-friendly option for new riders or those seeking a stylish and lightweight motorcycle for city riding. Engine: a 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine provides around 25 horsepower. This offers enough power for city commutes, but might feel less powerful on highways. Handling: the lightweight chassis and manageable size make the RE250 easy to maneuver, perfect for navigating city streets. Standard features may include features like an LCD instrument cluster, LED headlights and taillights, and a comfortable seat. Price: the 2024 Zhonsheng Cyclone RE250 is known for its affordability. The MSRP is estimated to be around $4,000. The 2024 Suzuki V-strom SX 250. The 2024 Suzuki V-strom SX 250 brings adventure touring spirit to the budget-friendly motorcycle category. Adventure styling: the V-strom SX 250 boasts a tall windscreen, handguards, and a higher ground clearance, giving it an adventure-ready look that's perfect for exploring beyond the pavement. Comfort and usability: the upright riding position and comfortable seat make it suitable for longer rides, while features like a luggage rack, optional, enhance its touring capability. City maneuverability: despite its adventure aspirations, the V-strom SX 250's manageable size and weight make it suitable for navigating city streets. Single-cylinder power: a 248 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine provides around 26.5 horsepower. This offers enough grunt for confident city riding, light off-road trails, and highway cruising at moderate speeds. Fuel efficiency: the single-cylinder engine is known for its fuel efficiency, making it a budget-friendly option for long journeys. Information on the exact MSRP for the 2024 Suzuki V-strom SX 250 is limited at this time. However, based on similar models, the estimated price could be around $5,999, similar to the starting price of its bigger sibling, the V-strom 650. The actual price may vary depending on factors like dealership markup and available trim levels. The 2024 Kawasaki Z250 SL ABS. While the Kawasaki Z250 SL ABS appears to be discontinued, here are the specifications you might be looking for based on previous model years, assuming the specs haven't changed significantly. Engine type: 4-stroke, DOHC, displacement: 249 cubic centimeters, 15.1 cu in, bore X stroke: 72.0 millimeters, 2.83 in, x 61.2 millimeters, 2.41 in. Cooling system: liquid cooled. Fuel delivery: fuel injection. Maximum power: 27.61 horsepower, 20.5 kilowatts, at 9,700 RPM. Estimated. Transmission: 6-speed. Frame type: perimeter. Wheelbase: 1,330 millimeters, 52.4 in. Seat height: 785 millimeters, 30.9 in. Dry weight: 148 kilograms, 326 pounds. Estimated. Fuel tank capacity: 11 liter. 2024 KTM 200 Duke. The 2024 KTM 200 Duke is a feisty and exciting option for new riders or those seeking a nimble and powerful motorcycle for city riding and some light off-road adventures. Punchy engine. A 199.5 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine provides around 26.6 horsepower, estimated. This offers a thrilling ride for beginners and experienced riders alike. Lightweight handling. The lightweight chassis and sharp suspension make the 200 Duke agile and confidence-inspiring in navigating city streets and carving up twisty roads. Optional features. Some models might offer an optional package with features like cornering ABS for improved braking control.